Hey, I am your host. Welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Battlefield 4 error code 0. The error reads failed to join server, an unknown error code 0.00. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players try to join servers on PC, but the error prevents them from joining any servers. According to our research, the error may come because of network issues, server-related problems, pending game updates, or sometimes launching the game directly instead of through Steam. To deal with this error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device along with the internet and try again. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try switching to a different server and check for the error again. If the error still persists, then check if you have any pending updates for the game. If there are, install them and see if the error still comes. If the error still continues, then try opening the game through Steam, then check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot and see if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.